Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, a name that carries legacy, toughness, and now, a whole new level of refinement. If you're someone who values off-road capability, wrapped in modern luxury, this might just be the SUV you've been waiting for. Let's take a journey through everything this powerhouse has to offer, from design to performance and everything in between. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Prado is its bold and muscular stance. The front end has undergone a significant transformation, adopting a more squared-off and aggressive look that draws inspiration from its bigger sibling, the Land Cruiser 300 series. The new grille features a classic Toyota lettering across a matte black frame, giving it a retro-modern vibe that nods to its heritage. The LED headlights are slimmer and sharper now, equipped with adaptive beam technology that intelligently adjusts according to oncoming traffic. The front bumper is robust, with aluminum skid plates that hint at its true off-road intentions. Moving to the side, the silhouette maintains the Prado's familiar proportions but gets a more modern treatment. Strong shoulder lines run from the front to the rear, giving it a muscular profile. The wheel arches are more pronounced and house 18 to 20-inch alloy wheels, depending on the trim. Ground clearance has been slightly increased, offering even better off-road capabilities than before. Blacked-out window trims and optional roof rails add an extra layer of rugged charm, while retractable side steps provide both function and style. At the rear, the new Prado keeps things clean and functional. The taillights are now connected by a black bar with subtle chrome accents, creating a wider visual impression. A rear spoiler sits atop the tailgate, while the bumper features a matte finish for better durability. The rear window is larger, improving visibility, and the full-size spare tire is now placed underneath the vehicle, allowing for a cleaner tailgate design and easier access to the rear cargo area. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that perfectly balances ruggedness with luxury. Toyota has made big strides in improving interior quality for the 2026 model. Soft-touch materials now dominate the dashboard, doors, and center console. The centerpiece is a 12.3-inch floating touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Toyota's latest infotainment software. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and fully customizable, providing a wealth of information at a glance. Seating is plush, with available options in leather, suede, or a durable synthetic material ideal for outdoor use. The front seats are heated and ventilated, with power adjustments and memory settings. The second row is roomy with generous legroom and recline features, while the third row, though a bit tight for adults, folds flat to offer impressive cargo flexibility. Under the hood, the 2026 Prado offers a range of powertrains tailored for different markets. The highlight is the 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid engine producing around 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and full-time 4WD, this setup delivers both power and efficiency. Toyota's advanced off-road technology, including crawl control, multi-terrain select, and downhill assist, ensures the Prado remains king of the trail. Whether you're navigating snow, sand, or rocky paths, the Prado adapts like a pro. For purists, there's also a turbocharged 4-cylinder gasoline-only variant, and in some markets, a diesel option. The ride is significantly smoother thanks to the adoption of the TNGA-F platform, the same one used in the Land Cruiser 300 and the Lexus GX. On-road behavior is more refined, with less body roll and better steering feedback, while the off-road prowess remains top-tier. When it comes to pricing, Toyota has positioned the new Prado competitively given its upgrades. Starting prices hover around $55,000 for the base model, while mid-level trims with more features climb up to $65,000. The fully loaded versions, equipped with the hybrid powertrain and all the bells and whistles, can touch $75,000. While not cheap, the value it offers in terms of capability, reliability, and technology makes it a strong contender in the mid-size SUV market. If you're in the market for a rugged yet refined SUV that can tackle both daily drives and wild adventures, the 2026 Land Cruiser Prado is definitely worth your attention. Toyota has managed to modernize an icon without losing its soul. It's more comfortable, more capable, and better equipped than ever before. However, if third-row space is a top priority, or you're looking for something more city-focused, you might want to explore alternatives like the Hyundai Palisade or the Jeep Grand Cherokee L. But for those who value off-road legacy, reliability, and an unshakable reputation, the Prado stands tall. Thanks for sticking with us through this detailed review of the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, and drop your thoughts or questions about the new Prado in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and keep exploring.